Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This is the first video, the introduction video. And I really debated about starting my own channel. There's a plethora of amazing photographers out there, and I always felt like, what am I going to bring to the table? But really, I think the journey is the fun part of it, cliche. And I really want to have this channel to showcase my two passions, which is hiking and landscape photography, along with portrait photography, which again I enjoyed doing both very, very much. I've had the privilege of being able to do both, and the goal of this channel is then to showcase a bunch of different hikes around San Diego, all the way up to Julian and further out. Any trips I do, we'll be doing videos on that. We'll talk a little bit on the technical side, settings I use to whether it's sunrise or sunset. We'll go through the many F-ups. That's part of photography, right? And then hopefully you can learn from that if you're interested in doing something like that. And same thing with portrait photography. I think very different, but also very cool. And when you get some really nice shots with doing portrait photography, to me it's an awesome feeling. Everyone's so different in front of the camera. So we'll go through that. We'll go through the editing tips, tricks. Just do my best to educate you guys on my mess ups. Continual mess ups and hopefully you can learn a thing or two. So let's just jump into it. Like, comment, subscribe, all the fun stuff. Geez, I'm gonna have fun saying that every video. And check out the Instagram. That's really where I showcase a lot of my photography. Instagram @beautyiswild with 2 eyes. And we'll see you soon.